just that much. Hey, thank you so much, Liveras. Thank you, thank you. I have a great day today. We have such an awesome like show recap with Nails Magazines and Coupa company about the next top nail artists. So if you haven't voted for your favorite set or favorite artist yet, so make sure you go into Nails Magazine to vote for your favorites. And this week is really awesome. We get an honor to sponsor for this week is the challenge is Las Vegas Vacation. It's so stunning and my blows when I seeing every single set created by really talented nail artists. So if you get an ideas or you want to compete next year, that is such a great preference and great to watch. It's just great. So you can't see in the picture. You have to really watch every single video to see an ideas of how they create that. So I am going to blend my really nice bright yellows all the way down. If you miss a little bit, do not panic. Just pick up some more. Ali, you can watch it both on Instagram and Facebook, sweetie.
I'm on Instagram.
Oh, you're on Instagram? Are you on Instagram most or you're on Facebook most?
Facebook.
Facebook? Oh, you're on Facebook? Okay. But we're on Facebook too. Either way. Either way. It's great. Target is really really thin. So I am going to using number 29B. And it's really nice. I like this. It's like have a little bit pink. You can see. Just really get it closer to the cuticle, but not over it. And then keep your brush flat and blend your pink out. Hope everyone have a great Wednesday. I keep myself always stay busy and so excited to get to see everyone today. All right, I'll do it slow so that you all can see that you can achieve this looks really easy. If you want more, it's like I want a little bit more pink. And just blend it out. So now I am going to pick, if you're done with that, you don't want to add anything on, I think it's absolutely totally great. But if you want some things fun, which is I am adding a little bit of Shiny Sky. You know, I think I moved my clear somewhere. Here you go. I have my clears on my side. And then it's up to you if you want to cap this one with clear right away, you can't. Only if you do all of them and then cap them later. I'm gonna cap them so just in case of any one of you are seeing it. So I'm gonna get just that much of the clear powders and place them where you want to cap them. You want to cap right between the pink and the yellow. I know it's wet, so I not like try to mow anything. I just trying to guide it down so then it's not running around the fingers. And now I am going to blend it out. Always using a motion toward the center of the nails because you don't want them to be too bulky on the side. And just kind of cut off the excess powder. Ali, you like this set?
Yes.
I can't wait. She's such an awesome, like one of really good, awesome nail tech. I'm so happy to have her, Ali. I just did really nice set earlier for Jada, one of our news nail tech as well. Great. Go into the next one. Thank you, Money. How are you?